The reason that you burp so much with H. pylori is because it produces an enzyme called urase, which decreases your acid. Then food just kind of sits inside this area and ferments, and H. pylori can also create hydrogen gas, and that pressure builds up and then you burp. If you don't burp, you might end up with a hernia because of the pressure inside the stomach from the H. pylori. So yes, burping is a super common sign. You're one of my clients, I take some pylori to get rid of that. And then after you've done one bottle of pylori and reduced those H. pylori populations, you could probably add some digest purge in there, which contains HCl and enzymes, which will help improve that burping and digestion immediately.